Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, the Honeycomb stainless steel non-stick frying pan with lid. This 12-inch skillet boasts a unique honeycomb surface, tri-ply construction, and a suite of features designed for healthier cooking and lasting durability. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about the build quality. This isn't just another frying pan. It's constructed with a tri-ply design. What this means is there's a layer of stainless steel, then an aluminum core, and finally another layer of stainless steel. This construction is key to achieving even heat distribution across the entire pan. No more hot spots in the center and cooler edges, which leads to more consistent cooking results every time. The exterior is 304 stainless steel, which the manufacturer claims makes it scratch and rust-proof, built tough for daily use and to stay beautiful for years. I've put it through its paces, and so far, it's holding up admirably against everyday wear and tear. The standout feature, of course, is the honeycomb surface. This is etched onto the stainless steel and is designed to enable oil-free frying and low-smoke cooking. The idea is that the raised honeycomb pattern creates pockets that lift the food slightly, allowing air to circulate and reducing direct contact with the pan's surface. This, in theory, allows you to cook with minimal or even no oil, making your meals healthier. I found that for many foods, especially delicate items like eggs or fish, this holds true. They slid right off with virtually no oil. For searing meats, a tiny amount of oil still provided the best crust, but the amount needed was significantly less than a traditional pan. The low smoke aspect is also a welcome benefit, making your kitchen a more pleasant place to be while cooking. Healthier cooking is a major selling point here, and it ties directly into that non-stick honeycomb. The advanced composite non-stick performance means you can achieve true oil-free frying. This translates to healthier, nutrient-rich meals, as less fat is absorbed into your food. Food glides smoothly, preventing burning and sticking, which is a godsend for any home cook. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or frying, this pan performs admirably. And the cleanup. Oh, the cleanup. Because of the non-stick properties, most food residue simply wipes clean with a damp cloth. If you prefer, it's also dishwasher safe, meaning zero scrubbing required. This is a huge time saver and a big win for kitchen convenience. The quick heating and even heat distribution also contribute to efficient cooking, making it a versatile tool for easy, healthy home cooking. Now, let's talk about size and versatility. This is a 12-inch skillet, which is a generous size. It's large enough to fit a whole tomahawk steak, as the product description suggests, making it perfect for personal feasts or family gatherings. It's compatible with all cooktops, including induction, gas, and electric. The stainless steel pan meets non-stick pan versatility, allowing for seamless stovetop to oven transitions. This means you can start searing on the stovetop and then transfer the entire pan to the oven to finish cooking, which is fantastic for roasts or dishes that require a final bake. The tempered glass lid is a nice touch. It locks in moisture, allowing you to braise or simmer effectively, and you can keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid and losing heat. The lid also provides full coverage, ensuring no dead angles when you're searing. Safety is a paramount concern for any kitchenware, and this pan seems to prioritize it. It's described as food-grade safety certified, meaning it's free of PFOA, PFAS, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, meeting top global food safety standards. The construction from food-grade 304 stainless steel is also reassuring. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with the lid safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The ergonomic stay-cool handle is designed for a secure and comfortable grip, preventing burns and ensuring safe maneuvering. This confidence in handling the pan while cooking and serving is a significant advantage. Finally, let's touch on the quality and warranty. The manufacturer emphasizes permanent heavy-duty quality, with rigorous multi-stage quality checks. They offer 24/7 customer support and a replacement for damaged items, along with what they call a permanent warranty. This suggests they stand behind their product, offering a lifetime of protection for your non-stick pan. The heavy-duty construction is evident, and it feels like a pan built to last. It's positioned as a premium piece of cookware, a single pan that offers the quality of a much larger set. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the even heat distribution is excellent, leading to consistent cooking. The Honeycomb non-stick surface genuinely reduces the need for oil and makes cleanup incredibly easy. Its versatility across different cooktops and into the oven is a major plus. The safety certifications and durable build inspire confidence. The large size is great for family meals. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the honeycomb design is effective for many tasks, achieving that perfect, deep sear on a steak might still require a small amount of fat, depending on your technique. Also, the initial investment for a single pan might be higher than for a basic non-stick skillet, but you are paying for the build quality and longevity. In conclusion, this honeycomb stainless steel non-stick frying pan with lid is a robust and well-designed piece of cookware. It effectively blends the durability of stainless steel with the convenience of non-stick, while promoting healthier cooking practices. If you're looking for a versatile, long-lasting frying pan that's easy to use and even easier to clean, this is definitely worth considering for your kitchen. Link in the description.